spells.
Baby, baby,
There you have it, guys, another demonstration in my ginger juice series. You saw how I applied it with the cotton wool. It was a bit drippy in the beginning, but I got it under control, so it was nice. And if you are a bit worried about the onion juice smell, let me assure you that the ginger smell overpowers the onion juice. I could not even smell the onion juice, but the ginger was really like, oh my goodness, inside. But I loved it. I love ginger smell, so I was not put off by it. For me, I didn't feel any intensity like I felt the first time I used the onion juice or the ginger, because my head is getting used to all this, or has gotten used to all that, so I didn't feel anything. It was just like I put water on my head and nothing. I didn't feel nothing. The only indication that I had something on my head was the smell, and that went away after washing and conditioning. So that's about all. The next video in this series will be on ginger juice and honey MS, so I hope you join me for that. If you've not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe so that you can join the Diva Navy squad. And also don't forget to click on that bell notification so you're notified anytime I upload any video. So that's all for today. I hope you join me in my next video. Thank you all for watching.